How to add a member tag in WhatsApp group chats. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to add a member tag in WhatsApp group chats. So now without further ado, let's get started. So here, first thing first, open the WhatsApp app on your phone and make sure that you're logged into your account. And now here, once you're inside the app, simply navigate to the group chat where you'd like to add a member tag. And now here, once you're inside the group chat, just tap on the top of the chat of the group name. And now from here, you can simply scroll down to the list of members to open the group information page. Now here, just scroll down to see the group members and simply locate your or your friend's name and simply tap on it. And now here, once you see the interface like this, what you can do is you can just tap on the member tag box options, and there you can simply type in title, role, or description that you'd like to use. For this, I'll be typing manager. And now here, once you're done with that, what you can do is you can just tap on save to save your tag. And now here, once you have done that, your member tag will now appear beneath your name whenever you send message in that group. But keep in mind that member tags are specific to each group. This means you can create a different tag for every WhatsApp group you're part of. And that's it. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.